to host countries and peoples is a shining moment in a country's history. And to the whole world, in this third year of a pandemic, it is a symbol of hope and the harbinger of a future where we can all gather and compete, but to everyone's gain and no one's loss. Because just daring to compete with the best is victory in a fashion. For this, we thank China for hosting the Olympics, for daring to do so in the season of pandemic. Full throttle, we thank China from the bottom of our hearts. I am particularly proud of alpine skier Mr. Asa Miller, who represented the Republic of the Philippines. We have no snow and no winter, but we were at the Beijing Olympics.
The 2022 Beijing Olympics is a fitting celebration of sportsmanship, kinship, and solidarity as we collectively recover from the pandemic and begin a new chapter in the new normal. We salute China for their successful hosting, overcoming many obstacles from the pandemic, and for promoting winter sports even to hot weather countries like ours.